Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between the OnePlus Nord CE4 and the Nothing Phone 2A. We'll explore everything from their design and display characteristics to performance, camera capabilities, and battery life to help you decide which phone might be right for you. Design and build. The OnePlus Nord CE4 sports a sleek design with dimensions of 162.5 by 75.3 by 8.4 millimeters and a weight of 186 grams. It offers IP54 dust and splash resistance and comes in options like Celadon Marble and Dark Chrome. This phone features a hybrid dual SIM slot, combining functionality and style. In comparison, the Nothing Phone 2A is slightly more compact and heavier at 161.7 by 76.3 by 8.6 millimeters and 190 grams. It also boasts IP54 splash and dust resistance. Unique to the Nothing Phone 2A are the 3 LED lights on the back, which serve as notifications and camera fill light, adding a distinctive flair to its plastic frame and back. Display. Both phones sport a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, with the OnePlus Nord CE4 offering a fluid AMOLED screen capable of 120 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1100 nits. It supports HDR10+ for a dynamic viewing experience. The Nothing Phone 2A also features a vibrant AMOLED display, with a 120 Hz refresh rate and even higher peak brightness at 1300 nits. Both displays promise excellent visibility and color accuracy, making them great for media consumption. Performance. The OnePlus Nord CE4 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring robust performance with its octa-core processor and Adreno 720 GPU. It runs on Android 14, integrated with ColorOS 14 for a seamless user experience. The Nothing Phone 2A uses the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset, providing competitive performance with a similar octa-core setup and Mali G610 MC4 GPU. It operates on Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.5.5, designed for an intuitive user interface. Storage and RAM. The OnePlus Nord CE4 offers 2 configurations: 128 GB with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB with 8 GB RAM, utilizing UFS 3.1 technology for faster data access and transfer speeds. It also includes a microSD XC card slot within its hybrid SIM slot, allowing for expandable storage. The Nothing Phone 2A also comes in several options: 128 GB with 8 GB RAM, 256 GB with 8 GB RAM, and a higher tier of 256 GB with 12 GB RAM. It does not support expandable storage, which might be a consideration for users needing more space. Camera. The OnePlus Nord CE4 features a dual camera setup, including a 50MP wide lens and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. It supports 4K video recording and includes features like HDR and panorama for versatile photography. Similarly, the Nothing Phone 2A boasts a dual 50MP camera system, with both a wide and an ultra-wide lens. It also supports 4K video recording and adds enhancements like HDR to elevate photo quality. Front camera. The front camera of the OnePlus Nord CE4 is equipped with a 16MP wide sensor, capable of recording videos at 1080p at 30 frames per second. This setup is ideal for selfies and video calls, providing clear and sharp images. In contrast, the Nothing Phone 2A features a more powerful 32MP wide front camera, which also supports video recording at 1080p but at 60 frames per second. This higher resolution and frame rate enhance the clarity and smoothness of video calls and selfies. Battery and charging. The OnePlus Nord CE4 is equipped with a powerful 5,500 mAh battery, supporting rapid 100W wired charging that promises a full charge in just 29 minutes. On the other hand, the Nothing Phone 2A comes with a 5,000 mAh battery and supports 45W wired charging, which can charge the phone to 50% in about 23 minutes and 100% in around an hour. Features and sensors. Both smartphones are equipped with a suite of sensors that include under-display optical fingerprint scanners for enhanced security. They also feature accelerometers, gyroscopes, proximity sensors, and compasses for various functionalities. In terms of connectivity, both devices support Bluetooth and dual-band Wi-Fi. The OnePlus Nord CE4 includes Bluetooth 5.4 and lacks NFC, but it compensates with an infrared port. The Nothing Phone 2A, meanwhile, supports Bluetooth 5.3 and includes NFC, enhancing its capability for contactless transactions and connections. Conclusion. Choosing between the OnePlus Nord CE4 and the Nothing Phone 2A largely depends on your preferences for unique design elements, display brightness, and charging speed. The OnePlus Nord CE4 offers a robust design with a faster charging solution, making it appealing for those who prioritize quick recharge times and a high-performance display. The Nothing Phone 2A stands out with its unique LED notification lights and slightly better peak brightness, suited for users who enjoy distinctive design features and a strong, consistent display performance. Both phones offer compelling options in their respective segments, making them excellent choices depending on your specific needs.